interrupt your regularly scheduled birdwatching for a breaking story in backyard security. Reports are flooding in of a high-profile intruder attempting to breach the birds-only squirrel-free Suet station.
Eyewitnesses say the suspect, described as fluffy-tailed, gray, and unusually determined, approached the feeder with reckless confidence. However, despite multiple attempts, the so-called acorn bandit was denied entry at every turn. Authorities confirm that while the Suet remained safe, the squirrel's pride did not. Nearby bird cams caught it all.